Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Wheels. Friends, as you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a 2021 Maruti Celerio variants wise futures video. Now before entering the video, who have newly visited the Motorbase channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Our regular videos will get a notification. So friends, let's start the video quickly. Now 2021 Maruti Suzuki Celerio will be positioned on the new generation hardtech platform, making it lighter and sturdier, relating to improved safety and stability also. New generation Maruti Celerio bookings are open at down payment of rupees 11,000. This is a second generation Celerio that is being launched after 7 years following its earlier counterpart that came in 2014. Ahead of launch, the car has started to arrive at dealerships, revealing almost all details. So friends, now let's talk about the 2021 Maruti Celerio variants wise futures. New 2021 Maruti Celerio will be offered in a choice of 7 variants. There are LXI, VXI Automatic, ZXI, ZXI Automatic, ZXI Plus and ZXI Plus Automatic. It's a top variant. The dimensions of new Celerio: length is same at 3695 mm, width is increased by 55 mm to 1655 mm, height is same at 1555 mm, wheelbase increased by 10 mm to 2535 mm, ground clearance increased by 5 mm to 170 mm now. Fuel tank capacity is 32 liters of fuel tank capacity is massive enough. Now boot space is also increased by 78 liters to 313 liters, actually much better than Tata Tiago. Now base variant is LXI. It gets engine idle start stop button, gear shifting indicators, front seat back pockets, 6 bottle holders, front and rear headrest, integrated, manually AC, pole and filters, power steering, earthen steering wheel, accessory socket, fuel consumption display, distance to empty, driver's side sun visor with ticket holders, door as a warning lamp, headlamps warning, low fuel warning, dual airbags, ABS with EBD technology, reverse parking sensors. Now let's talk about the top line of ZXI Plus variant. Comes with electrically foldable ORVMs, black B-pillar, 15 inches black alloy wheels, push button start stop, door request switch, smart plate touchscreen infotainment system, height adjustable driver seats, front fog lamps and steering mounted audio controls. Friends, now let's talk about the 2021 Maruti Celerio color options. The new generation Celerio will be available in total 6 color options, among with Arctic White, Skilly Silver, Solid Fire Red, Speedy Blue, Caffeine Brown, Glistering Grey, as you can see on the screen now. It is positioned on the latest generation hardtech platform. It gets Suzuki logo on the front fascia along with the chrome strip connection to halogen headlamps. Updates are also seen in the design of its front grille, front and rear bumpers also, fog lamps and bonnet. On the sides, alloy wheels with gloss black rims, flat type door handles, folding ORVMs with turning indicators and deep character creases are also noted. The rear section spotted the Suzuki logo and Celerio badging along with the boot opener, indicators and parking lamps. It also spotted rear parking sensors and brake lamps. The top specs variant of new Celerio with keyless entry, wider opening doors for easier and door pads with black finish. It also spotted a leather finished steering wheel with telescopic functions and steering mounted controls. Friends, last but not the least, let's talk about the mileage and engine specs. Maruti Celerio will only be offered with 1 liter engine option. This is an updated engine which is expected to be deliver better performance than before. Mileage too had been increased. New Celerio is the most fuel efficient petrol car in India. Let's talk about detail in mileage. 2021 Maruti Celerio mileage will be 26.68 km per liter for the VXI automatic variant, ZXI automatic and ZXI Plus automatic variants. Claim mileage is at 26 km per liter. ZXI Plus manual transmission variant mileage is at 24.97 km per liter. Mileage of remaining Celerio variants is at 25.24 km per liter. CNG Celerio launches in expected to be placed in next year. Now finally, let's talk about the prices and competitor in the market. Future updates are larger dimensions along with the fact that is now based on the Arctech platform. We'll see the new generation Celerio command a premium over its outgoing counterpart that is priced from rupees 4.65 to 6.25 lakhs ex-showroom. It will continue to reveal the Hyundai Santro, Tata Tiago, Datsun Go and Maruti WagonR. So friends, this is a video of latest updates of all new 2021 Maruti Suzuki Celerio facelift. So if you really like the video, please hit like button and share to your friends. And if you're still not subscribed to MotoBiz channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Our regular videos will get your notification. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.